responding. You all are looking much better than yesterday. We are trying to take you to the level next. And this is what the humble way, the process. We can take you up. Remembering the legend Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore sir. The versatile genius whose every minute lived for the nation, for reason, and given the lifelong messages to the entire human race. If we just go across one good thought, you will find a metamorphosis, the complete transformation of your life. And today I would like to remind you the one statement, one single quote, one line which can become your lifeline. And you know what is that, dear students? When the mind is far from fear, when there is no fear in your mind, you achieve freedom, you achieve liberation. When the mind is free from fear and the worries, that will lead you, that will cherish to you for the truest wisdom. The real light of wisdom will enlighten your inner soul, and that will enlighten your path, the path of progress, the path of happiness. So for that, your minds must be motivated, must be tuned to be fearless. That state of fearlessness that will achieve when you are prepared. The preparation of becoming perfect. When you are fully prepared inside, when you give a green signal to your mind, to your heart, I am ready. This statement creates spark within you. I am ready. The moment you say, I'm ready, tomorrow if I get time, 10 minutes classic sharing with the screen, I would like to go with you, especially with my senior students and the mentors. When you are ready and when you ask the cosmos, the universal powers, that you are ready, you are prepared, and the miracle takes place in your heart. How? Without communication, how the universe is going to help you up and eager to take you to your desired lands, to achieve your goals. That conversation, the invisible, the powerful, when you connect your soul, your mind to the universe, and how the existence blesses you. My dear lovely students, be prepared. Prepare yourself today. And for that, one magic mantra is, I am ready. I'm ready to explore I'm ready to do new. I accept the challenge. The power will be released in me. Today's best example with us from humanities, Mr. Mukesh Prajapati. Today I see him when we do practice, when you are given the real lifetime demonstrations, the presentations, they give the birth of a leader in you. A leader is born inside. Our father used to tell one thing. The great legend, Honorable Vasudev Ji Arya sir, जब हम बहुत छोटी क्लास में क्लास 3-4 के अंदर थे, हमारा जो स्कूल का स्टैंडर्ड हुआ करता था, वो मेरे प्यारे बच्चों पता है कौन सा हुआ करता था? जब राजेंद्र सर, योगेंद्र सर स्टूडेंट हुआ करते थे क्लास 3 और क्लास 2 में, बताओ कौन सा मीडियम रहा होगा? इंग्लिश मीडियम, राइट? यस और नो? नो. हिंदी मीडियम? नो. इट वॉज मारवाड़ी मीडियम. क्योंकि मारवाड़ के अंदर नाम
Director sir, respected mentors, all lovely students. As today we presented the second day of English week, the topic, the occasion was Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. The students came here. The students came here, presented poems, prayers, thoughts, news, and speech. All together made an effort to exhibit their talent in the field of English literature by sharing some of the ideas, thoughts of the greatest, one of the greatest renowned Indian poet, painter. Rabindranath Tagore is not just an English laureate. He has written our national anthem, Jana Gana Mana. That kind of a personality he is, that he received Nobel Prize for Literature and made the name of India shine brighter in the world. Why English is so important? Because today, when you go somewhere, you cannot simply adjust if you do not know at least a manageable English. Every sector of your life is influenced by the language. When you are in Pali or when you are in Rajasthan, you are okay with Hindi, Marwadi, it is okay. But when you are going abroad, when you are going out of Rajasthan, you go to Maharashtra, where there is a culture of the local language like Marathi, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam. So at that places you realize the importance of English. Yeah, Hindi is our mother tongue. There is no denying that. But we cannot deny the importance of English also. In each and every sector, whether it is a sports, school life, academic, professional, each sector of life, the English is very important. We must practice it. Now what is the way to get it? How can you become perfect expert in English? Only one way solution, practice. And for that, Rainbow is known for practice. As you know that yesterday also, every time, after every regular interval, the head of the institute comes before you tells you directly, indirectly the importance of English, and you should practice it every day, every hour, and especially when you are in school. Your school is English, you are English, and you must practice English. It will make your career, it will make your life, it will make you look better among the crowd. Because when you are there and you are having the knowledge about it, you make a difference, and that difference is very important for your life. So yes, with the words that I have spoken, I end my speech. But at last, I'm just giving a small note that wherever it is possible for you, you can speak the words perfectly in English. Do not come to Hindi. When it is possible for you to speak in English, speak English only. Do not make excuses and practice it frequently. Eventually, with the time, you will learn it and you will be good in the language. Thank you very much.
Honorable Principal Sir, Director Sir, Most Honorable Master Saraswati, outstanding teachers and mind-blowing students. A great morning to the chirping birds, water flowing the rivers, the waving trees and the blazing sunshine. This is Mukesh Kumar Prajapat from class 12 Humanities, standing before you to speak on the aesthetic topic Rabindranath Tagore and importance of English. It is very simple to be happy, but it is very difficult to be simple. India has been blessed with many great personalities who enriched our nation. Rabindranath Tagore was one such person. He was a highly educated man who served this nation through art and poetry. Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7th May 1861 in Kolkata, West Bengal. He was a poet, writer, playwright, composer, philosopher and painter. He is widely known for creating the national anthem of India, Jana Gana Mana. He has a significant influence on Bengal literature and music. He shaped it into a new form during the Bengal Renaissance. He is also known as Gurudev, Vishwagovi and Kobi Guru. His pen name was Bhanusimam. He completed his education in England. Tagore was a true patriot. He wrote over 2,200 songs, mostly on nationalism and other philosophical concepts. Tagore was an influential person who played a crucial role in nationalism in India. The philosophy of the Tagore's life of past 20 years is, I am not afraid of an army of lions led by a ship, but yes, I am afraid of an army of sheep led by a lion. Many people will panic to find a charger before their phone dies, but won't panic to find a plan before their dream dies. Tagore was a wise man, he was a great motivationist. He told, wise men speak because they have something to say, and duffers speak when they have to say something. To the common glories in the past, to the common glories in the present, to form with the greater grace together and wish to form still more, are the essential conditions to live in the world of sorrows. Now let's turn my speech towards English and its importance. You all know that English in nowadays is not only a means of communication, but also a parameter of measuring the status of an individual. Whether it is a WhatsApp or your life, people will see only your status. If the why is powerful, then how is easy? English may be complicated, but a ship is always safe at the shore, but that's not what it's made for. You will face failure when you speak English, but face the failure until the failure fails to fail you. Because today is difficult, tomorrow is much more difficult, and day after tomorrow is beautiful. And most people will die at tomorrow's evening. The more you sweat in the practice, the less you breathe in the battle. Now, I would like to tell that where you should speak English, why you should speak English. So, speak English, think English, talk English. Speak English, talk English, think English. Speak English, talk English, think English, give English, take English, listen English, make English, run English, walk English, eat English, love English, verify English, filter English, hope English, build English, commemorate English, write English, bring English, engrave English, create English, continually increase English, glorify English, support English, because your school is English, teachers are English, books are English, you are English, mobile is English, English is English, sing in English, and the speech right now I am giving is in English. Thank you.
Today I am here to present a poem, The Stream of Life, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. The theme of this poem is that it reflects Tagore's worldview that humans create their own discrimination and has a celebration of universe connectedness. The stream of life, the same stream of life that runs through my veins night and day, runs through the world and dances in rhythmic measures. It is the same life that shoots in joy through the dust of the earth in numberless blades of grass and breaks into tuneless waves of leaves and flowers. It is the same life that is rocked in the ocean cradle of birth and of death, in ebb and in flow. I feel my limbs are made up of glorious by the touch of this world of life, and my pride is from the life throb of ages dancing my blood this moment. Thank you.
Myself, is behalf of class 9B. Today I am here to present English poem of Rabindranath Tagore, where the mind is without a fear. The theme of the poem is to plead God to keep the country safe from weakness. Tagore wrote this poem while India was under the British rule and the people were excitingly anticipating the independence. It was the prayer to Almighty for nation, for all the manipulation and corruption, where the mind is without fear and the health is high, where the knowledge is free and where the world has not been broken into fragments by the narrow domestic wall, where the words come out from the depth of the truth, where the tireless striving sketches into arm toward the perfection, where the clear stream of the reason has not been lost its way in the dreary desert sand of the dead habit, where the mind is led forward by the thief into every winding thought of the action, into that heaven of freedom my father led the country away. Thank you.
Myself, Amina Sharma, behalf of class 9th. Today I am presenting English thought which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. The highest education is that which does not merely give us information, but makes our life in harmony with all existence. Thank you.
Born today of Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore lived more than 100 years ago, but his life is writing, working thoughts continues to advise us. Now I would like to invite for English News Rainbow Dipali Didi from 12th Commerce.
बनाई नहीं हूं इसके लिए, छोड़ो, लीव इट, और आपका रास्ता, आपकी मंजिल बदल जाएगी। आपने रास्ता छोड़ा, आपकी मंजिल बदल जाएगी। अगर वहां पर आप डटे रह गए, इफ यू स्टैंड स्टिल ओवर देयर, कम व्हाट में, कोई बात नहीं, लेट द पीपल लाफ, लेट माय फ्रेंड्स रिडिक्यूल मी, let them make a fun of me, I will give a try. In try, two things will happen. Either I will fail, I will fall. If I fail, if I fall, I will learn. 1% chance is there. If I don't fall, if I don't fail, if I rise, I will be able enough to pick the best fruit of the tree if I am ready to climb high. This 1% confidence, it will lead to 100%. The fearlessness will be there, the fear will be away from your mind. And once, only once, when your mind is ready and prepared, yes, no matter come what may, I will do it. मैं कर लूंगा, कोई बात नहीं, आप हट जाओ, मैं कर लूंगा। उस वक्त आपके पास में दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी ताकत होती है, वो होती है द होल यूनिवर्स that conspires, that comes close to you to help you. They will push you up, they will rise you up, they will take you up. The things will be so cool, so cordial that you can't even realize. जर्नी थोड़ी सी बड़ी है और इस जर्नी को आप एक स्टेप से भी कर सकते हैं। वो पहला कदम, यस, और वो पहला कदम आपको स्पेक्टेटर से स्टेज प्लेयर बना देगा, जिसका लाइव एग्जाम्पल हमने आज बहुत प्यारे बेटे, आई एम प्राउड, मुकेश प्रजापत फ्रॉम ह्यूमैनिटीज में देखा। I'm very happy. I'm very happy. एक रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर पूरे देश के अंदर एक इंस्पिरेशन जगा सकते हैं। इतने लंबे समय से और इतने लंबे समय तक ये ज्योत जो उन्होंने जलाई है वो प्रज्वलित रहेगी। एक सोल। तो मैं सोचता हूं हमारा एक ऐसा बेटा, एक अच्छी बेटी अगर अपने स्टैंडर्ड से अप हो, इतना नाम रोशन कर सकते हैं, हीरोज बन सकते हैं और अपने जीवन से न जाने कितने दिए जला करके लोगों के अंधकारमय रास्तों को उजालों में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं। चॉइस आपकी है मेरे प्यारे बच्चों। रेनबो के अंदर कंटिन्यूसली आपसे एक ही चीज का आग्रह किया जाता है, टॉक इन इंग्लिश, स्पीक इन इंग्लिश। जो बच्चे इसको पॉजिटिवली ले लेते हैं वो शाइन करते हैं, वो स्टेज की शान बनते हैं, प्रेजेंटेशन के लिए सबसे पहले चुने जाते हैं। जो बच्चे इन पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, चलने दो अपने, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, तो मान के चलना अभी तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लेकिन जिंदगी में बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम इनवाइट कर रहे हो कि जब मौका था तब हम सीख नहीं पाए, आगे नहीं आ पाए, कदम नहीं उठाया। अब पछताए होत क्या जब चिड़िया चुग गई खेत। इससे पहले कि मौके चले जाए, मौके खत्म हो जाए, स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, कम्युनिकेट, प्रॉमिस टू योरसेल्फ that I am able, I am ready, no matter, let there be a fault, let there be a mistake, but I will not fear from the fault. If you can promise yourself, if you can resolve in your mind, I think my today's assembly, which is a showcase, a very hard effort of my lovely mentors around me, especially like Govind Soni sir, Rahul sir, all the wonderful team, the team of mentors and lovely students. Kudos to all of you. Keep learning, keep doing practice. This is your place. Do not get it replaced. It's your time to shine. Shine apart. Have a great practice. Demand more from us. Learn more. Fly high and you will reach your goals. Your greatest gift to all our teachers, to the principal, to the management would be if you are able enough to converse. That is the best gift. आपके पास कितने डिग्री हैं, कितना अनुभव है, कितनी चीजें आप जानते हैं, कुछ नहीं पता। जब आपको प्रेजेंटेशन आ जाएगा, अपनी बात को, अपने विचारों को कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ में मंच पे आवाम के सामने रखने की कुव्वत आ जाएगी, हिम्मत आ जाएगी, आपको लगेगा अब I am the right and the matured player. Now I will play. My game begins now. Have a great good time to all of you. Lots and lots of love to you and kudos to your wonderful efforts. Thank you so much. Have a great time.
Respected principals or directors or teachers and all present over here. I, Deepali Soni from class 12 Commerce, stand before you to deliver latest English news. First, after Delhi, 3 Ahmedabad schools received bomb threat emails. Second, Poonch attack. The army releases sketches of 2 terrorists from Pakistan and offers 20 lakh reward on information leading to the arrest. Third, Israel versus Palestine. 1 lakh Gazans are asked to leave Rafah by Israeli forces ahead of a planned attack. Fourth, Vladimir Putin orders nuclear drills amid the Russia-Ukraine war. Fifth, Sunil Narayan and Phil Salt move up in the race for Orange Cap while KL Rahul enters top 5 after KKR versus LSG match. Sixth, terror threat to T20 World Cup. ICC assures of strict security. Thank you. Everything comes to us that belong to us if we create the capacity to receive it. Now I would like to invite for English speech Rainbow Mukesh Bhaiya from 12th Humanities.
I want to tell you that from personal experience that when you will start speaking English, people will chase you. People will tell you can't speak English. But remember one point. Don't think that you are nothing. Don't think that you are everything. Don't think that you are nothing and don't think that you are everything. Think that you are something that can achieve everything. Thank you.
Is not reality but information, but that makes our life in harmony with all existence. With these valuable words, a very happy morning to one and all present here. I am Harshita Soni with my co-partner teacher Suni from grade 10.
For wonderful poem presentation. Now I would like to invite for thought Rainbow Abhinav Sharma from class 9.
Beloved, if you cry because the sun is gone out of your life, your tears will prevent you from seeing the stars. Now I would like to invite for poem presentation Rebo Niharika from class 9.